To begin streaming your iOS or Android games to Twitch using Gameshow and Reflector, you'll first need to make a Twitch account. So go to twitch.tv in your preferred browser and click the sign up button in the top right-hand corner of the page. Once you have made an account, you can then go to gameshow.net and download and install Gameshow to your computer applications. All you need to do is click the download button in the top right-hand corner of the page. The last preliminary step that we recommend that you do is to purchase Reflector 2. You can also try it free for 7 days. Now, what Reflector 2 is, it's an application that is downloaded on your Mac or Windows computer, and it allows you to wirelessly mirror your iOS or Android devices to your computer screen. So when you're streaming to Twitch, instead of connecting your device to your computer, all you need to do is just wirelessly mirror it using the native Cast or AirPlay technology, whatever device you're using. So it eliminates the need entirely for those cords and cables. So once you have all 3 of those steps set up, you can go ahead and open Reflector 2 to begin. We recommend you open Reflector first to kind of make it easier down the road and to get everything squared away at the beginning. So we've opened up Reflector, and now I'm going to connect my device to Reflector, and I'll show you how I did that once my device is connected. So there is my iPhone. So how you do this is you're going to swipe up from the bottom, of course using for an iOS device, and you're going to select AirPlay mirroring that appears right here when you swipe up. Now when you select AirPlay mirroring, you'll get a list of receivers, and your computer that's running Reflector will show up in that list of receivers, and all you need to do is just select it. Now, if you're using an Android device, you're going to use the native Cast technology that's in your Google Home application. So we're going to move this over to the side, and we're going to next open Gameshow from our computer applications. Now, when you first open Gameshow, it's going to prompt you to either skip or register. If you register, you're going to be put into a database where you can be up to date on any updates that are happening, the latest versions of the software, or any support articles that come out. Or you can just click skip. However, every time you open Gameshow, you will be prompted with this question. So for right now, we're just going to skip, and we're going to select start streaming. Now, with whatever game you're trying to stream, you can use a pre-made template if you're streaming one that's kind of a popular game. However, we're doing a mobile game, so we found the best luck is just to do a blank template under the game. And click Next. So now you're going to configure your document. So you're going to stream to Twitch. You can enter a game title. There are some that's already preloaded for you, or you can just enter your own. You can click encoder settings, and your Twitch server. You can see what we're using for this example here, and select Next. So we are streaming from a computer, so game source type will be computer. In your game process, you're going to want to select Reflector 2, and your device that's connected to Reflector 2 will automatically appear in this window dropdown. And then select Next. And that will bring up your main window for Gameshow. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see everything. Okay, so this is going to be your main window in Gameshow. So your configured document that you just clicked the settings for will be under Master Layer 1, and all you need to do is click on it to make it appear in this little preview box. So once it's here, you're going to want to get your output settings correct. So we're going to go to the menu bar, click Output. So a lot of these settings are going to be similar to what you already did when you were configuring your document. So destination will be Twitch. When you configure your Twitch account to Gameshow, right here it's going to say Authenticate User. You click that button, and all you need to do is enter your username and password, and that will link the software and the Twitch account. So like I said before, server, encoder, and encoding settings are all going to be the same as what you selected before. If you want to record with Gameshow, you can put in record settings, and all you need to do is just put in where you want your recordings to be saved to. So we're not going to record today, so we are just going to ignore that and click OK. Great. Now we're ready to stream. So we're going to come up here to Output. We're going to hover over Start Stop Broadcasting and select Start Twitch. And that's going to start your stream as indicated up here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Twitch account. So we're going to go down here to Twitch and select Active Broadcast. And that will bring up your Twitch account in your preferred browser. All right, so now we have that open. So we're going to go back to our game show here. And we're going to click Go underneath of our preview box. And now if you noticed, your green circle next to your game here is going to turn red, which is indicating that your stream is live. So we're going to come back here. If it doesn't appear here, all you need to do is just refresh the page. And your device will appear in your video preview on your Twitch account.